Good afternoon. Welcome to a very warm conservatory. I haven't been here for 10 days or so because of this pretty extreme heat we've had in the UK. And I now like to keep these layouts. I have a piece of wood over the top when I'm not in here because otherwise the track was getting a bit damaged and a couple of the trees and the back scene was a bit faded, so I'm going to have to do some work on this. But anyway, I'm here to talk about the Highland Railway because Sam's train has done some much needed rolling stock. So this is one of them. And it's an old battered wagon that's seen better days, and as you can see, it's even got a piece missing from it. I'll just show you the inside, and there, as you can see, the boarding on it looks pretty good. Weathered, looks old, but it looks like proper planks. Yeah, I think it's a good job. And then I don't know if you can see, but it's got chains attached on the sides as well, and then you can put the proper 3-link chain on it if you don't want to use those couplings. I've got some other rolling stock, a couple of other wagons, so let's just crawl up and see if we can pick those up with this lovely smooth running James Goods. I think that's just going to push. So, now that's together. Let's move out. These are better condition wagons, but otherwise similar.